It's alright. I mean, standard look, really. I mean, I could get this from the P. palettes. Today, guys, I want to share with you this new little mini, tiniest Pat McGrath palette that I've ever bought. I didn't even know that they came in this size, guys. It is tiny, so small. It's called the Mini Eyeshadow palette, Sublime Smoke. And it's like that. The smallest, most tiniest Pat McGrath palette, guys, that I've ever owned. Just to show you how small it is against quads. That's it there. I mean, I do actually remember that she does come out with these little minis, and I think the last one was purple, but I did love the colour scheme of this one when I saw it online, so I thought that I'd pick it up. So we're going to try this today. I'll let you know my thoughts on it. I created this look today using it. I was just so intrigued by the smallest, tiniest Pat McGrath palette I've ever seen in my whole life. Totally. And I had to use it. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, guys, stick around my peeps. Mwah! Okay, my gorgeous queens, let's start this look off using the most tiniest, my gosh, Pat McGrath palette that I've ever seen, guys. Tiny as. I hope my brush can get in there. The shades look really nice though. This cost me $45 New Zealand, guys, for this tiny little palette. I didn't realise how small it was before I bought it. Never ever bought a small palette like this, but still I'm keen to give it a go. 45 bucks, so man, let's see what this little mini can do, because I'm interested. Okay, my peeps, so first up, I've already done my face. I used, I finally retried my Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin Foundation. Looks really nice. I've got to keep trying it though. I mean, I'm looking in the mirror and it's okay. It's not covering everything, and you know, I don't know. You know what I say about these things, guys. You got to keep trying them. I did hate my, what was it? I wasn't a fan of my Hourglass Ambient foundation, guys, and I absolutely am in love with it. So in saying that, I got to keep trying things out, But let's hit the eyes. Underneath my eyes, guys, I put concealer on, and I use this Pat McGrath under eye blurring powder in light. I thought it would keep to the Patty theme, and I do love this. It's a great product. So let's just find a brush. Okay, put you guys a little bit closer so we can check out this little tiny thing. Let's check it out and see what we can get out of it. It's got a mirror at least. You know, it's got a mirror, guys. So yeah, as I said, the colors are really beautiful. Tiniest brush you can ever find, guys. And I'm gonna go into this one here as a transition. Tap off and let's hit the eyes. Just in that crease area. Yeah, bit over blended out there, but we can fix that later. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. I'm going to try and get a better brush than that one actually. What was that? Morphe. It's a good one, but I kind of need more fluff action. What's Up Beauty? Yes, my love. Okay, so with this beautiful What's Up Beauty brush, I'm going to try and, you know, I'm going to totally try and blend that better, because you do need a fluffy one up there if you want to get that seamless blend. It's a bit better. All right, next color, my peeps, and I'm going to go into the little one down here. Little one. They actually have names. No, they don't. No, you see, this is Extreme Mahogany. Is it? Oh gosh, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go into this little one here, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer with a small tiny brush. Deepen it out. Love Pat McGrath eyeshadows though, It's actually a pretty good idea. I mean, you could just pop this palette into your bag and, you know, you could be away. You could just use it. It's one of those neutral palettes, guys, that you could just use for anything. You could do that brown as a one and done. Heaps of options. Date night, your night look with the darkies. Very nice. Blends like a Pat McGrath dream, guys. You know, Pat McGrath's eyeshadows blend amazingly. I love her stuff, man. Honestly, I just love her eyeshadows. And I'm not mad at this one, guys. I'm not. I'm very, very happy that I picked it up because it'll go into my Pat McGrath collection. Like that. Obviously, we've got cleaning up to do, but we will do that later, okay? It's a nice light application. I'm not going full on today, guys. I really just want to have a little play. Get your sponge and with a bit of, you know, the foundation that I use, get up here. There, I've got a mold there. I should have spot concealed it. And just clean up the outer to lift. So easy. So that looks really nice. I mean, yeah, let's blend that top one a little bit more. Let's put on some more of that middle one here, okay? Let's just put a dusting of it all over the lid, and then we're going to go in with the shimmer. Using this fluffy brush, eh? Start from the crease, and then we'll just go down here. Just keep blending till you're really happy, and you can go over that dark as well, just to really mesh them all together. Make it look seamless and blended and just really nice. I'm going to use this beautiful Refa 21 brush. I love Refa as well. You need these kind of brushes, guys, to pick up those shimmers and metallics. You can choose to spray them if you want them to be more foiled, but today I'm just going for a, you know, a nice subtle look, really, for me. I'm going to go into this gold one down here, guys, and I'm just going to put that just in the middle of my lid, okay? Oh, that's nice. Lovely. Not too light of a gold. I'm going to add a bit of this one here, the white one, just on the inner part. I'm not sure what it is. Is it a matte? That looks a bit weird. It's alright. I'm actually not a big fan of that shimmer, this one. It's not gold, guys, it's more of a bronze, but it's okay. Let's kind of just work that out. Let's get some more of this lovely brown here on that fluffy brush, and let's just try and work it out, eh? Yeah. Straighten things up a bit. Yeah, not a huge fan of that bronze colour actually, guys. I'm going to try and put this one on. I'm making the look terrible, I know. Just something's not right about it, you know. I just wiped my brush off and I want to try this taupey one here. Taupey shimmer by the looks of it, and I'm going to try and put that on top of that. Oh, that looks way better. Yeah, I'm just going to add it a little bit on top in the middle of that bronze one. I'm ruining the whole lot now, guys. That looks way better for me. That. Not a fan of that bronze one. It looks nice. It's wearable. It's totally wearable. It's just not right up my alley. I'm going to wipe my brush off and I'm going to try and like totally make it seamless. Not a huge fan, actually. Not really a huge fan of this palette, to be honest. It's okay. The colours are just too... I think they're too warm for me, but I do suit the warm palettes more than the cool tone ones. I just don't know about this palette, to be honest. It's not giving me wow vibes, you know, it's not giving me the wow vibes. Let's put some under the lash line like I always do and see if that helps. I'm gonna go with this brown, the lighter, you know, the transition one. I don't want to go too dark today under the bottom lash line. It's not right. I mean, standard look, really. I mean, I could get this from the P. Louise palettes. I'm not a fan of this palette, guys. I'm not. It's just a nice neutral mini palette. Alright, my peeps. That's the look. I'm not happy with it. Let me go away and put my eyeliner and stuff on and the rest of my makeup, and let's see if that makes me feel better. Okay, my beautiful ones, I am back. What do you think of the eye look? I've not done setting spray yet, guys. I'm just like, Also wanted to update you guys on this Milk setting spray here, the new Milk one. It's very, very beautiful. You know, it's matte, right? Of course, but it is super damn matte, guys. I mean, I wore it you know, I've been enjoying it, but I didn't realise actually throughout the day how damn matte it can make you. If you add too much on, guys, my gosh, you look like cardboard. Cardboard. I'm not joking. You look so flat. It does blur. It does. I actually prefer my blimmin', you know, my glowy ones actually. So I've added on, what did I do? Kosas bronzer just a little bit. What else did I put on? Oh, my Pat McGrath beautiful matte trance lipstick in 1995, I think it is. It's a beautiful one. I love this. Love her lippies, man. Love, love, love her lippies. And now I just wanted to add on, to make myself feel better about this hideous eye look, is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Skin Highlighter. And the Nude. Love this. It's a beautiful one there, eh? Let's just put a little bit on. Lovely, lovely. Pat McGrath, man. I love her stuff, honestly. But that, I'm sorry to say, that, bloody, I just, you know, I could get those eyeshadows and some cheap ones, you know. Also wanted to share with you guys the blush I use. NARS delicious one in Exhibit A. Jeez! I also wanted to share with you guys the blush I use, which gave this beautiful look. Yes. NARS Exhibit A blush. You can't beat NARS blushes, eh? This looks really, 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 really full on. Actually, what actually made me pull this back out of my collection, guys, is I saw Painted by Spencer use it on his Instagram, and I thought, fuck, I've got that. I've got that, and I've only used it like hardly ever, and I've been using it all week, and he's damn right. It's so damn nice. It's a beautiful blush. You look at it and you think, oh my gosh, I'll never wear that, right? Don't judge books by their covers, guys. This is stunning. It's really, really nice. He is so damn right. Why didn't I know that before? You know, it's just been sitting in my drawers collecting dust, and yeah. So this is the look, guys. I haven't set it. What do you think of the eyes? I'm not wowed. Actually, in saying that, guys, this would be a lovely mini palette to chuck in your handbag, okay? And I think I'll actually do that because I have no eyeshadow palettes in my handbag because I don't like them banging around in there and they could get broken and stuff. Or I'll pop it into my little makeup bag. This would be a really good one to do that type of thing, but it doesn't wow me, you know. It's okay. It's okay. The shimmers, they're okay. I mean, I can find these in many palettes that I have, but I do like it. It's a perfect little nudie palette. You know, you could do the one and done eyeshadow with this tiny, tiny, tiny one here. But the look I made is not wowing me, guys. Did I try my hardest? Not really. But, you know, for a standard look, it's okay. Yeah, it's just okay, guys. But I love Pat McGrath's stuff, eh? She's just the absolute mother. I might actually just put it inside my bag. So yeah, the look didn't wow me, guys. would I recommend it to you? No, I wouldn't. It's nothing special, you know. I'm not saying don't go buy it. If you're a Pat McGrath lover like me, and you like collecting and you love everything Pat McGrath, of course you've got to have it. You've got to. But, you know, don't go out of your way. You know, like I said, it was $45 New Zealand to get that, and that's fucking expensive for that. For those little tiny 6 shades, and, you know, the look I got out of it is totally standard. Metallics aren't much. They are metallics, you know. There's no duos in there, and of course you wouldn't be. But, you know, it is a lovely little palette for you to pop into your bag for those quickies. You know, you could have a one and done eyeshadow look, you know. It's a good idea to have a little palette, you know, an eyeshadow one to carry around with you actually, because, you know, you never know when you're at work and you might be going somewhere and, yeah, it happens, and then you've just got nothing else to kind of wear except for bronzer. I've done that so many times. But yeah, I am glad that I got it and tried it. Not wowed by the look, but yeah, it's Pat McGrath, guys, and I love her stuff so much. I'm a huge fan of her stuff, man. And it's the first time I've ever bought one of the minis, and probably the last time. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little review of this little tiniest palette from Pat McGrath that I've ever seen. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the, you know, the information. And I will catch you guys up on my next one, eh? And you guys have a beautiful day, wherever you are. And I wish you heaps of luck and positivity for your week, guys. Reach your goals. Mwah.